Good morning parents. This is Seema teacher here. Today I am going to tell you some information about our textbook, notebooks and syllabus. I'll start with syllabus. Same syllabus we have got with your books. असा हा syllabus तुम्हाला तुमच्या बुक सेट बरोबर मिळालेला असेल. तर त्या सिलेबस मध्ये आपण मंथ वाईज जे टॉपिक्स मेन्शन केलेले आहेत त्या थ्रू आपण होल इयर मध्ये जाणार आहोत. सो आय एक्सप्लेन यू इन द जून अँड जुलै. इन जून अँड जुलै इंग्लिश ओरलमध्ये आपण फोनिक्स घेणार आहोत. फोनिक्स ए टू एच ज्याची आपण ऑलरेडी सुरुवात केलेली आहे. नेक्स्ट इन रायटिंग वी आर गोइंग टू टेक स्क्रिबलिंग अँड स्क्रिबलिंग ऑल्सो वी हॅव स्टार्टेड. इन मॅथ्स वी आर गोइंग टू टेक 1 to 10 नंबर्स. मॅथ्समध्ये आपण ओरली 1 ते 10 नंबर्स घेणार आहोत. अँड फॉर रायटिंग आपण घेणार आहोत 1 and number 2. नंबर 1 and number 2. आणि शेप्समध्ये आपण घेणार आहोत सर्कल शेपचे इंट्रोडक्शन घेणार आहोत आणि ज्याचाही ऑलरेडी व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला मिळालेला आहे. तसेच जी के पार्टही आपण थोडा घेतो. अगदी इंट्रोडक्टरी पार्ट आपण जी के घेतो ज्यामध्ये आपण घेणार आहोत ॲनिमल्स आणि बर्ड्स. सो सेम ॲज इट इज each and every month we have mentioned our topics and syllabus. आपण सेम असंच ह्या सिलेबस प्रमाणे होल इयर मध्ये जाणार आहोत. नाउ मूविंग टू द टेक्स्ट बुक्स we have this let's practice phonic book. In this phonic book we are going to cover all the alphabets of A to Z only orally and their sounds. For example, A says a, B says b, C says k. Like this we are going to cover all the phonic sounds from A to Z. Next, this is our writing book Fun with Patterns. We are going to cover all the line patterns in this book. For example, we have standing line, sleeping line, slanting lines, up down lines, then half circles, lumpati and bumpati. So there is only line patterns for the nursery. Like this is our standing line. Start from red line and come up to second blue line. This is our standing line. Next, we are going to write sleeping lines. So we are going to start on the red line. This is first sleeping line, second sleeping line, and third sleeping line. So these are our standing lines and these are our sleeping lines. Next, we are going to learn slanting lines. This is our right slanting line and then left slanting lines. Next, we are going to learn up down lines. So this up down line starts from blue line. You will get the prior information time to time. So go up, come down, again go up, come down, go up and come down. This is up down lines. Next part is half circles. These are the half circles. These also start from red line. Half circles and right half circles. And last line pattern is our lumpati and bumpati. This is our and lumpati and bumpati. So these all line patterns we are going to cover in whole nursery year. We have some concepts also in the English like match the letters with pictures. So A says A for apple. So we are going to ask the child to match the letters with pictures. Like this only. B says B for ball. So this is B letter goes to ball. Next, one more concept is there and that we are going to learn. That is match the letters with letters. Match the capital letters with capital letters. For example, yes, like this. For example, match the capital letter with capital letter. So like this, capital letter A goes to capital letter A and capital letter B goes to capital letter B. So these are the some syllabus we have explained over here which in the English for whole year. Okay, so about the notebooks, we are going to use this 4-line notebook for the English writing. You can see here 4 lines. This is red line, first blue line, second blue line and bottom line. Okay parents, so you can purchase this notebook from any shop. In maths, we are going to learn or we are going to write numbers 1 to 10, and this is our maths number book that is fun with numbers. I'll show you on the board. We are going to learn numbers 1 to 10. I'll show you examples how to write the numbers. So we have big square book. As you know, we have big square book and we are going to write number 1. We are going to write number 1. For this, you have to tell your child, leave 2-finger gap and then start your number and come down and touch to bottom line. You have to tell your child always that number should be touched to bottom line. Your number should be touched to bottom line and always leave 2-finger gap. Always leave 2-finger gap. Okay. Next is number 2. That is half circle, slanting line and sleeping line. Here is also same rule. Leave the 2-finger gap and number should be touched to bottom line. Again, next is number 3. Again, leave the 2-finger gap and write half circle, half circle. Here also number should be touched to bottom line. Again, 2-finger gap and number 4, slanting line, sleeping line, small standing line. This is number 4. As on, so on 1 to 10 we are going to learn in the here. Tens and ones concept I have wrote over here. Tens for T for tens, O for ones. This concept is not for us in nursery. Child will going to learn this concept in junior KG. We are going to just give them the introduction of T and O, that is tens and ones. Next we are going to learn shapes in the nursery. We are going to introduce 4 shapes for them. That is square, rectangle, triangle and circle. These 4 shapes we are going to introduce in the nursery. Also we are going to learn match the shapes in maths, like square to square and triangle to triangle. Like this only, rectangle to rectangle and circle to circle. Also we are going to learn few concepts related to maths, like small, big, big and small, few and many, few and many, like tall and short. Same as we are going to learn this concept in the whole year. For maths writing, we are going to use this big square notebook. We are going to use this big square notebook. So parents, you can purchase this big square notebook from any shop. This is our activity book. In this activity book, we are going to learn some palm printing activity, tear and pasting activity, collage activity, thumb printing activity. So all activities we are going to include in this book. Parents, this one more book in our set, that is drawing book. ही आणखी एक बुक आपल्या बुक सेट मध्ये आहे, जी तुम्हाला डिस्ट्रीब्युशनच्या वेळेला मिळालेली नव्हती. ती अवेलेबल नव्हती बिकॉज ऑफ काही ट्रान्सपोर्ट इश्यूज होते. सो तेव्हा ती अवेलेबल नव्हती. सो पण आता ही बुक स्कूलमध्ये अवेलेबल आहे आणि ही कधी डिस्ट्रीब्युशन करणार आहोत त्याची तुम्हाला प्रायर डेट नोटीसद्वारे कळवली जाईल. आणि जोपर्यंत ही बुक तुम्हाला आम्ही इश्यू करत नाही तोपर्यंत याच्यामध्ये काही वर्क आम्ही घेणार नाही आहोत. So parents, this is our book set for nursery for the whole year.